Making sodium sulfate crystals. So first of all, we'll do a titration between sodium hydroxide, which is the base, and the dilute sulfuric acid, which is the acid, until reaching the neutralization reaction to obtain salt and water. They're saying that 25 centimeter cubes of sodium hydroxide solution is transferred to a conical flask using a pipette. So we're going to put 25 centimeter cubed of sodium hydroxide using a pipette inside a conical flask, and a few drops of methyl orange are added as the indicator. Here they put 2 drops of methyl orange indicator, which we must put with the base. Now dilute sulfuric is run in from the burette until the indicator turns from yellow to orange. We'll start running the sulfuric acid from the burette till the indicator turns from yellow to orange. When we see the orange color, we stop. This is the end point. When we see this color, it means not enough acid. Whereas when we see the orange, it means we must stop. This is the end point. And when we see a red color, it means too much acid. We have dropped a lot of acid, so the titration process is ruined. So as long as the indicator changes from yellow to orange, we stop the titration process.